Welcome to our channel. If your Wi-Fi connection is slow, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and improve your internet speed. Step 1. Test your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net or fast.com to establish your current download and upload speeds compared to your plan. Step 2. Restart your router and modem by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in and waiting for all lights to stabilize. Step 3. Move your router to a central, elevated location away from walls, metal objects, and electronic devices that can interfere with the signal. Step 4. Check how many devices are connected to your network and disconnect unused devices that may be consuming bandwidth in the background. Step 5. Change your Wi-Fi channel through your router settings to avoid interference from neighboring networks. Use channels 1, 6, or 11 for 2.4 GHz bands. Step 6. Update your router's firmware by logging into your router's admin panel and checking for available updates from the manufacturer. Step 7. Use the 5 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz if your router supports dual band and your device is close to the router for faster speeds. Step 8. Consider upgrading your router if it's more than 5 years old, or contact your internet service provider to check for service issues in your area. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.